Hello, this is Steve Shaw for acrylicpouring.com, and a day or two ago I saw a YouTube video where a nice young woman made a beautiful, beautiful wave on her canvas, and I just thought that was the coolest thing. So I tried it on my own, and honestly the first two attempts were kind of train wrecks. But today I have been practicing some more and my wave technique is getting really good. So I've gotten a little bit bigger every time I've done it, and this time I'm doing a really big canvas. In fact, this canvas is, we're gonna do a wave on a 24 by 36 inch canvas, so 2 feet by 3 feet. And I've got some helpers today. I would like to introduce to you, Maddie and Sarah. They're gonna be my helpers here in the art studio today. So Maddie and Sarah, are you guys ready to help me make this big, beautiful, tsunami, huge wave painting?
Yes!
All right, well the first thing we're gonna do is take this nice light white that has a little bit of purple mixed in it, and we're gonna make a nice background back here. So here's what I need you guys to do. Take your hands and just rub in circles. All we want to do, I know it's kind of cool. All we want to do is get a nice little layer of paint over the canvas.
How will it dry?
It'll dry. I'll put it in the other room with a fan on it.
No, how will my gloves dry?
Oh, we'll just put your glove. We'll just throw your gloves away when we're done. So go all the way out to the edges. Sarah, how you doing over there?
So we're basically spreading paint?
Well, we're not basically spreading paint. We are spreading paint.
So we're spreading paint,
Yep.
paint around a sheet.
This is called a canvas.
A canvas.
Yep, we're putting this right over the canvas. All right, you guys. I think we got it covered. Does that look like it's pretty good coverage?
Yeah.
All right, here's what you guys can do at this point if you want. Yeah, a little drip over the sides, okay. If you guys want, you can gently take your gloves off and put them in the trash. Let's pull that off. I'm gonna leave mine on. Oh, well, you know what? We'll get a paper towel for you, and you can wipe that right off. Now, what I'm gonna do to make this work, I'm gonna be adding some horizontal lines of some beautiful ocean colors.
Can we help her?
My favorite. I think mostly from here, you guys are gonna get to mostly watch. But I've got this beautiful seafoam green. I believe the actual color was Simply Aqua. And there is a little bit of water mixed with a little bit of Zinsser in here, and about this whole bottle, I think I put 8 drops of silicone in there. So I'm gonna put a nice line of that across the bottom. Is that enough, you guys?
Yes.
Okay, I think that's probably enough too. Then I'm gonna do a nice, nope, you're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. I gotta put down the paint for this one. I'm gonna put down one little line of black. Okay. Then I'm gonna go with a light blue. Look at this pretty blue. And most of the colors I've been using are apple barrel. And I usually add a little bit of water and a little bit of Zinsser paint booster to thin them out a little bit. Cool. I'm gonna go twice across here. One of the things I learned today from doing a couple of these waves is to keep it a little bit smaller or a little bit closer to the bottom on one end, and then build up where the wave is going to be coming around doing its curve. So got a little bit more there. Now I also have some dark blue. Nice dark blue. So we're gonna get a little dark blue in here. And then check this out. Where I want this wave to go, I'm gonna kind of give myself a little guide like that. Maybe even a second one. Okay. And that's okay. Then, before I swipe, I've got a little bit of this ivory color, and it is really kind of watered down. It's really thin. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Just a nice line of that going through here. There you go. And I have to hit it with my favorite color again, just a little bit more through here. Oh yeah, and you can already see some really beautiful colors coming out and the paint really reacting to each other nicely. You guys like that? Look how pretty that is right through there. Okay, so to swipe this, I'm gonna use a paper towel, a clean paper towel, and I'm gonna take a spray bottle.
Okay.
And when I take my spray bottle and my paper towel, I'm just gonna spray across one end of it. So my paper towel is wet on one end and dry on the other. Of course, I hold on to the dry end. And here we go. We're going to be doing the swipe now. Oh, this is going to be pretty. Touching here. Make sure all that's on there. And whoosh. The first couple times I did this, for some reason I felt like I had to do it fast, like I was in a hurry. And I realized you don't have to be in a hurry. I'm going to do a nice little swirly whirly under there at the tip and pull that up. And that, wow, look at all those colors in there.
Yeah.
That's a really good start. We are not done with this yet. I'm going to flip my my piece of paper towel over. Yep, that's the word I'm looking for. And I'm going to do another one up through here. Yeah, look at that. Nice.
Ah,
Isn't that
looks
pretty?
good.
Looks really good. Pretty. Now, what I'm going to let that sit for a minute. And the other thing I've been doing, let's kick up another little wave in there. See what that does.
Mr. Shaw.
Yeah.
Did you know that's gold?
Yes, that is gold paint over there. All right, we got some little waves there. What I did earlier today too, this area is so pristine, so clean, and so pretty. It's too clean. So this is what I did earlier, which worked really nicely. I'm just taking my paper towel and kind of dragging it back and forth through here.
Oh, yeah, that kind of looks like the sky.
That's kind of the whole point. Good job, Matty. Yep. Trying to get some little sky back here. And also, it's pulling out a few little cells through there as well. All right, let's get through here.
It kind of looks like the sky.
Yeah. Get a little bit up here. All right. So you guys, should I add some more or not? Should I stop?
Add some more.
I like your thinking. Okay, so it's looking pretty darn good. I'm gonna go with a little bit of this medium blue. And I'm gonna add another little swirl whoosh, right up through here. And maybe one more swirl.
Whoa.
Well, it's okay. With the dark blue.
Ooh.
Out through there. I'm gonna let that sit for just a second. Wow, look what happened through here. That looks so pretty. All right, I'm gonna drag, this is my same paper towel. I'm just kind of reusing it. Swoosh. Oh yeah. Right off the back.
We're actually on a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I've never been on a YouTube channel.
You are now. All right, so you know what? Do I need to do anything else?
I think it's fatter up there.
Fatter through here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got some more helpers here. Gonna get a little fatter through there.
Got paint on myself.
Is that like that? Does that work?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Those are that's a wave, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Those are little tiny waves.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna clean this up back through here just a smidge.
Oh yeah, I already got some paint on myself.
All right. You guys, what do you, I might have to drag a little bit up in this guy up here. Maddie, does that look okay up there?
Yeah.
Sarah, does that look okay up there? Yeah, am I okay? All right, do I need to do anything else to this?
You could add a little gold.
I could add a little bit of gold, but I think I'm gonna stick with what I have right here. I'm gonna rotate this around, just in case for the cameras to see it a little bit better. All right, here is my wave coming up. And my great helpers, thank you to my wonderful helpers, Matty and Sarah. Will you guys say goodbye?
Bye.
All right, thank you guys very much for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you like the content, please hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. This painting, along with most of my other paintings, will be for sale at my Etsy store. So just go to Etsy.com and look for Steve Shaw. Thank you very much for watching.